As the cries grow louder about the dust nuisance in Portland, Member of Parliament for Portland Western Daryl Vaz has blasted the subcontractors over what he describes as the poor maintenance and supervision of the temporary roads. But as you'll hear in this report, the National Works Agency will be carrying out work in the coming days to contain the issue.
The dust nuisance brought on by the roadwork in Portland is among the main areas of contention for residents. Earlier this week, a revelation that change is coming.
I have made representation to the National Works Agency, and they have agreed that despite the fact that the road is not ready for paving, we will oil the roads immediately. So it means that we'll have to oil them twice. Oil them now to suppress the dust, and oil them again when you're preparing for final paving.
Member of Parliament for Portland Western Daryl Vaz, while commending the quality of work being undertaken, blasted the subcontractors for the poor maintenance and supervision of the temporary roads.
The Prime Minister said he's not satisfied. Minister Warmington has said he's not satisfied. MP Vaz has said she's not satisfied. MP Vaz standing here has said he's not satisfied. But guess what? We need to do something about it, and that's what I outlined this morning in terms of the oiling of the road, which is going to cost millions of dollars. Don't think it's a cheap exercise. But I'm insisting that the entire 2 unfinished packages are oiled, and most importantly, the last 2 packages are not going to start like this and finish like this. We are going to learn from the mistakes. If not, don't do them. Let's patch the road. I prefer to patch the road than to go through this again with the residents of Portland.
That aside, our news team sought a response to the recent protests in the parish.
What you're seeing is orchestrated demonstrations in one of the 9 divisions, where a political aspirant, caretaker, councillor, and aspirant for caretaker member of Parliament has been active in these demonstrations.
Mr. Vaz issued this call to the leadership of the opposition.
I'm making a call on the leadership of the People's National Party to rein in these rogue politicians, because it serves nobody's purpose. On Monday, kids had CXC, judges had court in Mansion Hill, the private sector, everybody was affected because the main thoroughfare in that particular division was blocked. But they also blocked the bypass. So you can see definitively the coordination.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.